Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we are going to learn names of days in a week in Urdu. The first day of the week, Monday, is called Peer. Yeah, it's pronounced as Peer. Let's say it again with me. Peer. The second day, Tuesday, in Urdu language, Tuesday is Mangal. Yes, it sounds as Mangal. Now we are going to learn the name of third day of the week in Urdu, which is Wednesday, and in Urdu we say it Budh. Yeah, it is Budh. Now I am going to repeat the name of the first 3 days of the week, and please say it with me. Peer, Mangal, Budh.